Hey guys, Mike Zagare here, and let me ask you a question. How many of you are overwhelmed by Amazon sponsored products and are looking to save money on wasted ad spend? If that is you, then you're in for a real treat. Welcome to PPC Entourage. You're in for a real treat because your life and your business are about to dramatically change for the better. You see, PPC Entourage isn't just a software, it's not even close. Simply put, it's the most efficient and profitable way to run your Amazon sponsored products ever created. That's because PPC Entourage allows you to do in minutes what would normally take hours or even days. But it doesn't just do it faster, it does it better. The analysis, the insight, and the optimization can turn losing campaigns into winners and businesses that are hemorrhaging money into Amazon powerhouse flush with cash. Said another way, PPC Entourage can help you make money. And it has the potential to make you a lot of money, especially when you follow our system and use it the way I'm about to show you. But don't just take my word for it. I want you to use the software for yourself, dig into your campaigns, and see just how much more profitable they can be. Take a few minutes and read my message below and sign up for your 100% free trial of PPC Entourage. You don't even need a credit card. Just sign up, log in, and see for yourself what a highly optimized, super efficient Amazon business is all about. It's that simple. I'll see you on the inside.